When you crack your neck, you're moving your joints in a way that can cause small air bubbles in the joint fluid to burst, creating that familiar popping sound. However, if you twist your neck too forcefully, there's a risk of tearing the lining of a blood vessel. In rare instances, this tear can lead to a blood clot forming. If that clot travels to your brain, it could block blood flow and potentially cause a stroke. So while cracking your neck might feel satisfying, be cautious. Twisting it too hard can have serious consequences.